The Carnival in Jamaica National Stakeholders Committee has unveiled the official calendar of events for the 2022 Carnival season. The events are scheduled to start on July 1 and end with the St. Thomas Carnival on July 16. Now, according to Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, as the country continues to recover from the impact of COVID-19, the ministry is pleased to announce that they are forging ahead with plans for the 2022 season of Carnival in Jamaica. The Carnival season is scheduled to kick off with pre-events such as Hardwine, Back in a Room for Breakfast, and Soca vs. Dancehall, which will take place from June 24 to 26 and will include the Grand Carnival Road Parade on July 10. Other events include Exodus Tailgate, Sunkissed, Bacchanal Juve, Duckwork, the Post-Carnival Road Parade, Big Wall. Carnival in Jamaica was launched back in 2017 and is used as an umbrella brand for all carnival activities during the carnival period, making it a national product. In 2023, Carnival in Jamaica will return to its usual staging in April. Reggae artist Savannah has released her latest single dubbed Lomi. The track comes after Savannah made headlines for being involved in a deadly motor vehicle accident last year. The singer-songwriter delivered her harmonic vibes while delivering lyrics telling the story of escaping darkness and wanting to be left alone. The official music video for the single was shot at her great-grand-aunt's house in her home parish of Westmoreland. Lomi is produced by Panta, who is known for his work on Cool as the Breeze with fellow Jamaican artist Chronix. American hitmaker Mariah Carey is in celebration mode after being inducted in the Songwriters Hall of Fame. The five-time Grammy winner was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame during the organization's 2022 ceremony on Thursday. In her acceptance speech, she weighed in on building her skills as a writer and overcoming hardships on the way to becoming a legend. The induction ceremony also saw producers Pharrell Williams and Chad Hugo of the Neptunes, the British electropop band Arithmetics, Steve Miller and the iconic Isley Brothers also being inducted. Rapper Lil Nas X was honored with the Hal David Strait Award, which recognizes gifted young writers who are making a significant impact in the music industry through their original songs. Songwriters are eligible for induction after writing hit songs for at least 20 years. The Songwriters Hall of Fame features writers Missy Elliott, Paul McCartney, Bruce Springsteen, Paul Simon, and Billy Joel. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.